In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a moving average crossover alert in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a working alert that notifies you when one moving average crosses another on your selected chart and time frame in TradingView. First, add the moving averages. At the top of the chart, click Indicators. In the search bar, type Moving Average or Exponential Moving Average. Click to add it, then click it again to add a second one. You'll see two moving average lines appear on your chart and in the chart legend. Next, customize the moving averages so they use different lengths. Hover over the first MA line or its name in the legend and click the settings gear icon. In the length field, enter your first value, for example 50, and apply the change. Now do the same for the second MA. Hover over it, open the settings, and set a different length, for example 200. Using clearly different lengths makes the crossover signal meaningful and easy to see. Now open the Alert menu. In the top toolbar, click the Alert button, which looks like an alarm clock. The Create Alert panel opens on the right side of the screen. From here, configure the alert condition. In the Condition drop-down, select the first moving average you configured, for example EMA 50. For the trigger, choose Crossing if you want to be notified on both bullish and bearish crosses. If you only want one direction, choose Crossing Up for a bullish cross or Crossing Down for a bearish cross. In the Value field, select the second moving average, for example EMA 200. Make sure you're matching the exact indicators you added so the alert compares EMA 50 to EMA 200 correctly. Once that's done, set the alert frequency and message. In the Options or Frequency section, choose how often the alert should trigger. Selecting once per bar close is a common choice because it waits for the candle to finish, which helps avoid alerts that appear and disappear within the same bar. In the message box, type a clear note so you instantly know what happened and where. Include the trading pair and time frame, for example, BTC USD 1 hour, EMA 50 crossed, EMA 200. Keep the message concise and specific so notifications are easy to act on. At this point, create the alert. Click Create to activate it. The alert is now live and will monitor your chart for the moving average crossover you specified. When EMA 50 crosses EMA 200 according to your trigger setting, you'll receive a notification with the message you entered, tied to the exact pair and time frame you're viewing. That's it. Your moving average crossover alert in TradingView is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.